I'm back. I was practicing with my dynamics, and I hope you were too. Let's start together. Find your S first. Find it as soft as you can. 1, 2, 3. Now, if I was going to be grading myself, I would say, Miss Bryan, hang on, you took an extra breath. Yes. And I didn't quite hold out that last note all the way through. So I'm going to do it again. 1, 2. Oh, goodness. So that time, I really liked my dynamics at the beginning, and I made it all the way to the breath mark, but then when I played loud, my fingers messed up. And that happens sometimes. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. I like that one. All right, every time you make a mistake, find where exactly did you make your mistake, what caused the mistake, and then go back and fix it. And play it until you like it. So, have fun, go practice.